Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you guys about the software can help you automatically downloading video review from any type social media. So let's come to the interface of our software. Here is the interface of our software. We can came to scanning function. With the scanning function, you can choose the platform you want to scan first. The first one I want to scan from Douyin, uh, on TikTok China. So you can choose with the keyword or user. So in here I choose the keyword. If you want to scan on the Douyin video, I recommend for you using Chinese to scan like dance. Yeah, so I choose the Chinese word. So after that, you can also just using this keyword to scan with the maximum number of video you want to scan. So just waiting a minute, so you somewhere our software can auto scanning on the video with the keyword and downloading. And you can see here the video will appear into the screen right now. Yeah. So after everything was done, you can see the information of video in here, like comment, like, share, foundation. So we come to the video downloading configuration in here. If you want to downloading any video, just stick in any video you like. And for example, I want to downloading the video with more than more comment like this. I choose some video. You can also using the download video from by the filter and number of video, number of like, number of comment, and all number of share from anyway. So after I choose some video like this, I choose some video and you search to choose the folder to download your video. Yeah. So after everything was done, you can start starting download. You can see here in the status in here. So in here, I just done the downloading and you can folder and find the video. And you can see here is some video I just download from Douyin and it have no logo. It have no logo and just video. And so it has no logo and you can don't worry about the logo of the Douyin at all. Uh, so after everything done, uh, you can using the video your from download from Douyin and come to the editing function. You can just select the input data. So just select the video you just scan from the any folder and choose a folder you want to download like this. So you can choose the feature into here. There are many features like adding video, adding music, adding cut video, add logo or give check you want into here. Into here. Just select video and each computer and just add the background. Many features into here or multiple editing with the mass video. So also you after you get the video, you can also posting in your TikTok, your real profile, your Facebook real profile, your Facebook real fan page, or both Reel, Instagram, or YouTube Short. And you can also using your account to setting TikTok, setting Reel, setting Instagram Reel, or setting YouTube Short to make your video have more like or comment or more share. So if you want to using software, just DM me with the information in the bio, or have any questions, just click me with the WhatsApp or Telegram number on on the comment right now. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Where to subscribe.